How to get $100 Temu promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Temu promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Temu. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll down and check 70% off, $25 off, 30% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. So here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Also, make sure to check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Temu. So this is how you can easily get $100 Temu promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.